Welcome to Dari, the solution for all your real estate requirements in Abu Dhabi. We are delighted to guide you through the control panel for developers dashboard. Let's get started. Begin by visiting our website, dari.ae, or download the Dari app from the App Store or Play Store, and proceed to log into your account using one of the available options. Navigate to My Projects. In the search filters, enter the project number and click Show Results. Now, choose the project. The project information will be displayed, such as the project details, project breakdown, villas, and project location. Click Financial Information to view the escrow account details and the latest transactions. Click Progress Reports to view the latest and previous progress reports. Click Service Charges to view the details of the relevant fees. You can click View History to view the previous service charges. Thank you. We hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.